And here I come. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. This is Dr. Arindam and you are watching the Teaching Doc. And today I am gonna share a new agency with you in which I have tried out my luck. I have got some result after a few days. So it's my duty to let you guys know about this. Now this agency is named Icon Scout. Okay, it might not be new for every one of you. Okay, you might have heard, you might have seen this ads. Okay, their CEO Mr. Mithul reached out to me. Number one, this is a non-sponsored video. Okay, they are not paying me to do anything. This is completely my own independent review. So without any further wasting any time of yours, let us see what's my result are. Right, number one, if you want to sign up in Icon Scout, you can do it directly or you can use it via my link in the description. It doesn't matter because they don't give any referral income, but it will be easier for you to find the actual contributor link because their website might be confusing to you. If you need a detailed step-by-step guide, then I can do it for you also. Anyway, so over here you can see I uploaded 150 photos into their agency. You can see over here when I go to see manage item, you can see 149 live. These are in form of packs, okay, bundles. So 149 live, 2 in progress and 1 draft. I mean I didn't submit. So of them I total had sales value of $7, right? Now I started uploading in the month of May, right? So May zero sale, June zero sale. In July I got my first subscription sale, that is 0.56. Now it is much better compared to Shutterstock. Okay, they give you 0.10. The next subscription sale was 1.13, quite good because they have got some large value subscription packs, right? Then in September I got one direct sale, that is on demand, those who don't have subscription but they buy directly from Icon Scout. So one $2 and one 0.81 subscription. And on October I got $2 direct sale and $0.64 subscription sale. So in November I didn't get sale yet. That will be reported I think at the end of this month, but it's not bad considering it's a new agency and people are buying photos from here. I will say it's quite good. You can try your own luck. All right, so this is it. Now you can stop watching this video over here, and if you are watching this video till now, I want you to write the code word icon in the comment section. That will prove that you are watching this video till now. Now in the second part of this video, I will make a step-by-step guide on how to sign up your account in iconscout.com, right? That I will just open my referral link. Okay, I'll copy that link and I will open the link in an incognito window. Now mind it, if you use my referral link, all right, I will get $2, but I cannot use that $2 to draw money into my account. Okay, Icon Scout referral works in a different way. It says use of referral credit only for purchasing Icon Scout subscription. It means I can buy photo from Icon Scout, but I cannot earn this money directly into my bank, but still that will help me. So if you want to help my channel, if you want to help me create a new content, I can use great stock photos for YouTube videos. You can use that referral link, this link in my description. All right, now when you click this link, this website, this interface will open. From here you need to click on top left and you need to go to company. There are multiple options and you need to select become a contributor. Right now you can see there is a Black Friday offer going on, that is for customers, not contributors. Anyway, I will cross this and then we need to click on become a contributor. Now as soon as you click on become a contributor, a form will open, that is a Google form. This website, the contributor application, is quite different. In other websites, what you need to do, you need to upload some sample photos or videos and the reviewers review them, and then you are eligible to become a contributor, right? Over here, first you need to fill the details. So this Google form, it says enter your name. All right, I will enter my name, and then your email address. It is auto filled using my Chrome browser, so you just enter your email ID. Then they will ask you what is your niche, what is your specialization. So are you an icon designer, are you an illustration designer, 3D designer, animation, photography, whatever. All right, so in my case I actually clicked on 3D designer. All right, a very good news that this Icon Scout website actually supports .obj files, the files that you can generate using Blender, Maya or any other 3D software. However, they actually accept photography also. So you can click anything. If you're a photographer, you can click anything. Then they will ask the link to your portfolios, all right? And you can paste the link of your Shutterstock portfolio, you can post the link of your Adobe Stock portfolio. So right now there is only one line. If you just suppose this is my portfolio link, okay, if you press enter, you will have a next line to paste the link of your next portfolio. So I actually, during my sign up, I gave 5 or 6 portfolios: Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, iStock, everything. Next, they will demand your social media accounts. I gave my Facebook and Instagram account profile link, just like that. Then they will ask for a unique username. Okay, this is very important. Don't just type anything fancy. For example, best clicks or shutterbugs, all these things, they might already be taken. Okay, so type something unique and new. All right, you can type your name, surname, date of birth, whatever, but this thing is unique. This should not be already previously taken. They will not show over here that it's already used up, but they will simply reject and you will not get the email. So once you are done, you simply need to click submit, and then they will review your this form, and within a few hours they will send a mail in your registered email ID. From there you need to click, and then you will be directed to an interface where you can upload your sample photos, and then they will get reviewed, and then ultimately your contributor profile will be accepted. Once it's accepted, once you start earning, then let me know. I will upload tax form guides and everything else in this channel. I don't want to stress this video for long, but anyway, this was all about Icon Scout, a new agency where I started submitting and I definitely got some results, so I had to share with you guys. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up, please hit the subscribe button, please join my Facebook group where all of us can interact and make a much more better community of stock photographers. So I will see you next week. Thanks for watching. Bye and take care.